Shanny. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on this channel, and I also happen to be a makeup artist. So if you're interested in any of that content, definitely come back and watch more videos and subscribe before you leave. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. I'm not going to lie, this video was kind of all over the place. It was a mess. I did this look, so if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get into this look. I promise y'all I don't look this shiny in person. I put some more moisturizer on because I was just feeling very tight and dry, more so dry. So I put some more moisturizer on. I used this Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. I used that as another moisturizer because I did my skincare Curology and I just felt like I needed more moisturizer, so I went in with that. And then I put on the Black Girl sunscreen, and now we have this. I did my hair last night, so if you guys are interested in how I did my hair, definitely check out that video. I will link it in the cards, and I will try to link it down below in my description box, but I'm usually pretty good with linking it in my cards. So just pay attention to the top of the screen and it should pop up. Let's go ahead and get into my makeup. I'm still using the Cabal gel color in 4.5. I'm just trying to make sure. I just really want to snatch my face today because I haven't really did my makeup like this in a minute, so I just want to snatch my face, you know. So those are the brows. I'm gonna carve them out. I have the LA Girl concealer. I haven't used this in years. In Chestnut. I think I'm gonna use this. Yeah. All right. So it's on the back of my hand. Where's my 242 brush? I just had it. Here it goes. Let me just do my brows, think about what I was going to say, and then I'll start talking again. I'm using the 242 brush from MAC, and I'm picking up the concealer on both sides and making sure it's laying flat like that. Okay, so originally this video was supposed to be a chit chat, get ready with me, but I was just talking like aimlessly, and not really giving a lot of detail as to what I was talking about. But I wasn't giving a lot of details because, you know, I like to keep my personal life. So it just seemed like I was talking aimlessly in this video, and it didn't make sense. So I decided to cut the clips where I was actually talking and just put music over it. So I hope you guys don't mind. This is just going to be a old school tutorial. I'm taking the Jackiana palette and I'm going to take Pinker and use this as my crease color. This one right here. Okay, so I went into this Juvia's Place palette, this one right here, and I took this deep color down here to deepen my crease because this palette wasn't deepening my crease. Now I'm going back in with the excess LA Girl Pro Concealer that was left on my 242 brush from MAC and kind of doing like a soft cut crease. And then once I bring back out and blank out that part of my eyelid, I'm going to go back into my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that Jackiana helped create and take Supreme and put that all over my eyelid. And I'm using a diffuser crease brush to pat this color in. I kind of like how it's looking. Okay, eyeliner is done. Now I'm going to go in with the lashes. I'm wearing the second pair of these Amanda Dizzle lashes. These ones up here. These are called Hey Girl, but I can't remember the names of the ones that I'm about to put on, and I can't find my Duo Glue, so I'm using this Duo Glue that's kind of dried out. Alright, moving on to the face. I'm gonna prime with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I just feel like this fills in my pores. That's the only thing it really does for me. It doesn't make the makeup last longer, in my opinion. Ooh, I feel like tiramisu is a little too light. I was gonna use Too Faced, but I think I'm out of this one. Yep. Okay, let's just see. Taking tiramisu and pressing it all over. I guess I do want it to be a little bit darker, but it's okay. I'll deepen it with my bronzer. Foundation is on. I'm going back in with Chestnut from LA Girl to highlight my under eyes. I just want a little bit of highlight right here. So I'm taking Fawn from LA Girl and highlighting right here. I told y'all I want this look to be, okay? Highlight my nose. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what I bronzed with. Okay, I bronzed with Toffee Teas from Fenty. It's upside down. So pretty. Like, I want to be snatched, but I don't want to be too snatched. Because sometimes I feel like, when I look back on some of my old videos, I'm just like, oh my gosh, that was too much. That was too much. Like, with my features, I be trying to go soft with it because my features are already like here. I just want to enhance them in a soft way, if that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna blend out now. Hopefully I didn't go too light. I feel like these lights be throwing me off sometimes. This is definitely giving Valentine's Day. Alright, so I just set my under eyes with this loose kit powder, and then I'm also just going to take it on the rest of my highlighted areas. Alright, now I'm taking Cocoa and going over it just a little bit. Cocoa from Too Faced. I'm doing a very terrible job at telling you guys what I'm doing. Now I'm taking Ganache to set my bronzed contoured area. Blush, I'm using Rosy Does It from MAC. And I'm just lightly putting it on. I don't want a lot on, just want a little bit. Now I'm going back into the Anastasia palette and taking this color right here and just smoking out my bottom lash line. And I'm using a Morphe M506 brush. And then I'm also going to take this color right here from the Juvia's Place palette to smoke it out a little bit more, well, just to deepen it. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. put a little bit of mascara on. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner, so I'm taking this full spectrum CoverGirl palette, and it's a versatile cheek palette. Color Rose Rush, I think that's the color, the name of this palette. Isn't it so pretty? I'm taking this color to highlight my inner corner. Well, is that the color I use? Yeah, I think so. Alright, so I found the lip liner I was looking for. And this is not actually a lip liner. This is a LA Girl gel liner in brown. That's what I'm using as a lip liner because it's brown, not orange. Okay? It just looks way better, especially when I take pictures. I don't know why lip liners are so warm on me, but I don't like it. And when I started putting this on my lips, I was like, this is it. This is the lip liner. And it's not a lip liner. But yeah, that's what I have on. And then I just put some more of this lip gloss on top of it because I wanted to like mute out my lip color. Since my eyes are pink, I didn't want my lips to be pink. So I just have this beige lip gloss. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for sitting through this video. And I will see you guys in the next video.